Mom's channel. Make sure to hit the likes button and subscribe.
So what are we doing today?
We are going to plant lettuce.
We're going to try these seed discs. We're going to start with one today and we're going to do it indoors. What will you say? Whatever you want to say, sweet girl. You want to show them that? Hold on, don't be careful because they're seeds. We're only going to do one. So what is that? What's inside that, Danny?
A seed. And we have filled you and we put them in this pot that has olive oil.
Okay. Emma, let Sissy have it. So, Danny, lay that flat down in our pot as well. So our pot is 16 inches deep. We've got about 12 inches of soil in here. And we're going to just lay that on top. Super easy peasy. And then we're just going to layer a 1/4 inch of soil on top. Grab it. Just pour it out. You both will. So you only need 1/4 inch, so you just need a little bit on top. Do this part while we clean it up. Okay, so next we're just going to water it. Going to help? Either of you? Water it thoroughly, so you're just gonna, and then if we need to, we can cover this back up. So. Okay, now we're just gonna spray the top. You wanna start, Nanny? What did we plant? We planted
Lettuce.
What lettuces did we plant? Do you remember? So we planted arugula, which is a tender, robust, peppery flavor.
Peppery flavor.
Okay, we planted red velvet lettuce.
Which
Which is this one right here. Which is it has vibrant leaves, fade red to green as temperatures warm. It's okay, buddy. And then we planted baby leaf hybrid spinach, which is obviously, you know what spinach is. It's this one right here. And it tells you on the back how to do everything. You put it in your soil, cover it, water it, and it'll start growing. It says in 30 to 55 days to harvest, and it needs full sun. So we're gonna put this near a shady or near a shady window, near a sunny window.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Make sure to hit the big subscribe button and the